Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to change your birth date on TikTok. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can let me know if this video is helpful or not. You can do this by hitting the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. So unfortunately, TikTok has not made it easy to change your birthday on the app. Unlike Instagram or Facebook, you do not have an option where you can directly change the date. However, this does not mean that you cannot change the date at all. It might be tricky, but there is a way. So let me show you how to change it. First, open up the TikTok app. Now tap on your profile tab at the bottom right. Then click on the three lines at the top right. Then click on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and click on Report a Problem. This will be in the support section of the menu. Here, click on Account and Profile. Then click on Editing Profile. Then click on Other. Here you need to click on Need More Help. And now you can explain you want your birthday changed. In order to do this, you might need to include your government ID, so it can be passport or your driving license. This is so that TikTok can verify your birthday and your age. And that is how to change your birthday on the TikTok app. If this video gave you any value, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.